In this video, I will show you how you can install the iOS 27 developer beta on your iPhone. Now before we start, I recommend you to back up all your data from your iPhone because developer beta updates can come with bugs and glitches. So backing up your data is always recommended. Now after you back up your data, now if I open settings and if we check the iOS version on our iPhone, as you can see our iPhone is currently on iOS 26.5.2. Now to install the iOS 27 developer beta, just open Safari, then in the search bar just search this. Now after you search beta.apple.com, you will open this website. Over here just scroll down and tap on sign up. Now just tap on the X icon over here. Now from here just sign in with the same iCloud account which is signed into your iPhone. As you can see, if I go to settings, this is the iCloud account which we are using on our iPhone, and I will sign into the beta program using this iCloud account. Now after you enter your iCloud account, then just tap on done and tap on continue. Now in this section, just enter the password of your iCloud account. Now after you enter the password of your iCloud account, just tap on done and tap on sign in and select allow. As you can see, this code has appeared on the screen. Now just remember this code and enter it into this section. From here, just select Trust. Now on this page, just scroll down and tap on Agree. Now on this page, just swipe to the left side and select iOS. Then just scroll down and tap on Enroll your iOS device. From here, just scroll down even more and tap on Open Beta Updates. Now over here, you will find the option for beta updates. Now, if you cannot find the developer beta option over here, then just go to your home screen and open the App Store. And in the App Store, just search this. Now just tap on Apple Developer and install this app on your iPhone. Then tap on Open and select Continue. Now just give this app all these permissions. Now on this page, just tap on Account. Now from here, just sign into the same iCloud account which you're using on your iPhone. Just tap on sign in. As you can see, it is recommending us our iCloud account, so I'll select it from here. From here, just select agree. Now after you've done that, now just go to your home screen and open settings. Under settings, just scroll down and tap on general. And under the general settings, just tap on software update. From here, just tap on beta updates. Now over here, just check if the developer beta option has appeared or not. Now let's say if the developer beta option did not appear, then just select public beta, then just go back. After you go back, then just tap on beta updates one more time and select off. And after you do that, then the developer beta option will appear automatically. And if this also did not work, then just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your iPhone. And after you restart your iPhone, the developer beta option will appear over here. Now just select developer beta and go back. And as you can see over here, we have the iOS 27 Developer Beta 4 update available over here. Now to update our iPhone to the Developer Beta 4, just tap on Update Now and select Agree. Now it will take from a few minutes to an hour to update your iPhone to iOS 27. Now just select Install Now. As you can see, the update process has been completed. Now just swipe up. As you can see, our iPhone has been updated to iOS 27.0. Now just tap on Continue. Now if you want to set up Face ID, you can set it up from here. Otherwise, I'll select Set up later. Now if you want to set a lock screen passcode, you can do it from here. But I'll select Passcode Options and I'll select Don't Use Passcode. Now just select Agree. Tap on Continue and continue the setup process. Now just tap on Get Started to go to the home screen. As you can see, if I go to Settings and if I check the software version, as you can see, our iPhone is currently on iOS 27.0. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.